Hello, welcome back to my magical world of math. In my previous video, you have seen how to do the digit sum or digital root, or in Vedic mathematics, we're going to call it as Bijank. Today in this video, you're going to see how to use that and how to verify the answer and how to check whether the answer is correct or not. Let us see. Here we have some of the sums, additions. Answers are also there, but we don't know whether this answer is correct or not. If it is in the regular mathematics, conventional method, what we should do, we have to do the same sum once again to get the correct answer. But by using digit sum, without doing the actual addition, how to verify the answer, that we are going to see. Okay, see the first one. I have already told how to do the digit sum. Directly, I'm going to write the answer now without writing all the steps. Okay, 5 plus 7. Add these two. 5 plus 7 is 12. 12 means 1, 2. Digit sum is a single digit. Find the sum of all the number and get it into single digit. That is what the digit sum. So 5 plus 7 is 12. 12 means 1 plus 2. That is 3. Okay. Here 2 plus 6. 2 plus 6 is 8. Write it 8. Plus it is addition. So add these two digit sum. Then it will become 11. 11 means that is 2. For the question we got 2. If we got the same answer, frame number for the answer also, then what is the answer given is correct. Okay. So it is 8 plus 3. 11. 11 means 1 plus 1, 2. Here also we got 2. So the answer is, So the answer is correct. See the second one. Answer is also already given. Only thing is we should check by using digit sum. 2 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 8 is, 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 8 is 14. 4 and 1. That will be 5. So here it is. 3 plus 6 is 9. 9 plus 7 is 16. 16 means 1, 6, 7. That will be 7. Okay, this we have to add. So this will become 12. 12 means it is digit sum is 3. Okay, here whether we get 3 or not, that's what we should see. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 means 1 plus 2, 3. That means the answer which is given is correct. Just you can take the answer. Yes, it is correct. Okay. Let us see for the next one. Here we have done for 2-digit number. We have checked for 3-digit. Let us see for bigger number, 4-digit numbers, whether this answer is correct or not. See. Okay. 2 plus 6 is 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 plus 4 is 20. 20 is 2 plus 0. So digit sum is 2. Here it is 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 plus 8. 9 plus 8 is 17 plus 1, 18. 18 means 1 plus 8. That will be 9. Okay. 9 plus 2 is 11. 11 means 1 plus 1. The digit sum is 1. Okay. Now let us see. For the question we got 2. Whether we get the same number for the answer, that we should see. If we get same number, answer is correct. If we get different number for the digit sum, then the answer is not correct. Okay, that we'll check. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 6, 15. 15 plus 5 is 20. 2 plus 0 is 2. So, both are same. So that the given answer is correct. Okay. Now let us see for little bigger number. Okay. Each step we have to find the digit sum. Okay. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. That means 1. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 4, it is again 10. 10 means 1 plus 0. That is 1. Now let us see this. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 4 is 11. 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay. So this is addition. 1 plus 1 plus 2. That is 4. Okay. For the question, we got 4. See, we have to add this number once we get the digit sum. If it is addition, we are going to add it. If it is subtraction, we have to subtract. If it is multiplication, digit sum what you are getting, that should be multiplied. According to the sign, we have to do that. Now let us check with the answers whether this is correct answer or not. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus 2, 18. 18 means 1 plus 8, 9. 4 is not equal to 9. So the given answer is not correct. In this way, we can use this digit sum for the verification. Now we'll see for the subtraction. Here also question is given, answer is also given. Only thing is we have to check whether these answers are correct or not. Can we check it now? See, here also I'll not write all the steps for digit sum. Directly we can write. So everything we should do it in the mind. As we practice more, easily it can be done it in the mind. Okay. So 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 means 3. 1 plus 2. Right? This is 3. Here it is 2 plus 9 is 11. 11 means 1 plus 1. That is 2. So it is minus here. So digit sum is 1. Okay. Here it is 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 means 1 plus 0. That is 1. So answer is correct. For the question also we got 1. For answer also we got 1. So digit sum is same. So the answer is correct. Let us check for the next one. 384 minus 231. Answer is given 153. Let us see whether correct or not. Okay. Do the digits. 3 plus 8, 11. 11 plus 4. 11 plus 4 is 15. 1 plus 5, that is 6. Minus here. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. We got 6 here. 6 minus 6, we got 0. Okay. Let us see here. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 3, we got 9. This is 9. Yeah. 0 we got, 9 we got. So suppose if you get 0 or if you get 9, both are considered as same. So that this is also correct. So here we will take 9 is equal to 0. 0 is equal to 9. If you get 9 or 0, both will be same we consider. Okay. So this is also correct. And see the next one. Next one also we'll check. Little bigger numbers are there. 8,334 minus 4,123. The answer is given 5,211. We don't know whether correct or not. Let us check. Okay. 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 plus 3 is 14. 14 plus 4 is 18. 8 plus 1 is 9. Okay. Here 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 means 1 plus 0, 1. So here we got 9 minus 1, that is 8. Okay, that is 8. Here what is the number we are going to get in the answer? That will see. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 8 is not equal to 9. So the answer which is given is not correct. Answer is not correct because digital sum we did not get same. That's why this is not correct. Let us see one more which we have. 63,859 and 32,135. So what is the answer given here? 31,724. We don't know whether correct or not. Very easily we can check it. See, 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 8 is 17. 17 plus 5 is 22. 22 plus 9 is 31. 31 is 3 plus 1. That is equal to 4. Okay. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 5 is 14. 14 is 1 plus 4. That's equal to 5. Okay. Now let us check with the answer. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 7. 4 plus 7 is 11. 11 plus 2. 11 plus 2 is 13. 13 plus 4. 13 plus 4 is 17. That is 8. 8. See, here we have a problem. What is the problem? Here we are going to get minus 1. When it comes minus number, what to do? Okay, we cannot say these two are not correct or wrong. No. First, we should make that into positive number. How to make that number into positive number? We have a small trick for that. We have to write plus 9 for this. Okay, minus 1 plus 9. What is the number? We get it as 8. So 8 is equal to 8. So the given answer is correct. Okay, here what is the new thing we have learned? If comes minus, add 9, make it into positive number, then check with the answer. And even here what we have learned? If it comes 0 or 9, both considered as 9 itself. Suppose if we get 0 and 0, answer is correct. 1 is 9, 1 is 0, then also answer is correct. 9 is equal to 0, 0 is equal to 9 we consider here in the verification of digit sum. Okay, this is how to use for subtraction we have learned.